what are we going to get into today? Well, today is Moonshine Wednesday. All right, so what are we going to make today? This one's a pretty nice recipe. It is French toast moonshine. Would you have this on Sunday morning? Whatever, it could be good at all the time, but French toast moonshine. So, but first things first, welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. Okay, so let's get started. And like always, I'll put the ingredients down in the description box, so if you inclined want to make it, which I would hope you would because it's fantastic. All right, so let's get started. All right, but before that, make sure you hit that subscribe button down there. It is very, very important to us. Okay, so now let's get started. All right, we got our saucepan here. First thing I need is I want to put 2 cups of water. We want to make it's basically a syrup, 2 cups of water. Oh, that's only a half cup measure. And that is 2 cups. 2 cups of water. All right. So next, we want to put in maple syrup. We have how much maple syrup? 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. 1. It's going to add some great flavor to it. Maple syrup. I love moonshine. It is fantastic. All right, next we want to make is and this ingredients, you can scale it up or down to whatever way you want. We want a half a cup of brown sugar. Where's my scissors? Oh no, I lost them. No, I didn't. Here they are. Thought I lost them. Half a cup of brown sugar. This adds a lot of flavor. I get it out. Half a cup of brown sugar. Come on, work with me. Don't work against me. All right, that's close. Half a cup of brown sugar. All right. Next thing we want is a half cup of white sugar. Half a cup of white sugar. All right. Then we want a half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Half a teaspoon. Ooh, that's a tablespoon. Half a teaspoon. There we go, right there. Half a teaspoon of that. All right. And so what we want to do is we want to bring that up to just to simmer. Basically all we want to do is melt the sugar, okay? All right, so sorry about the noise. So all we want to do is melt that sugar. All right, so let me get that melted and I'll be back. Okay, I stuck the pot out in the snow. That worked out pretty good. At least the snow was good for something. All right, so the next thing we want to do is cool down. Yeah. So the next thing we want to do is add some vanilla extract. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. All right, so we got that. And then, and this one's something I've never used before. butter extract. Hey, French toast, you gotta have butter, right? You know, so we want to use half a teaspoon. That's half a tablespoon. Half a teaspoon of butter extract. All right, let me put a lid on this for a thing. And then give that a little stir. Oh, it smells fantastic. Oh, it smells like French toast. So then after we want to put in 2 cups of shine. And you can add, it's up to you how much shine you want, how strong you want to make it. I think this will be pretty good. All right, then we get that mixed up. Oh yeah, this is gonna be fantastic. All right, so I got me a bottle here. Where is, oh, right here. I'm gonna use a funnel just because I could make a good mess. All right, so what we're gonna do is we'll fill our jar up. Oop, there's our jar, and we got a little left over for tasting. A little left over for tasting. Throw my dirties in here. Let me put a lid on that for something happens. What do you think would happen? I know what happened. All right, let's give it a little taste. That tastes like French toast. Oh man, the maple taste to it, and that butter extract, you really get a buttery taste out of it. Wow, woo! Love it when a plan comes together. Oh mercy, you gotta make that. If you like French toast, you would love that. Oh man, that is fantastic. All right, so that is our French toast moonshine. I would, if I wanted to grade that, it'd be up there. I need to come up with it. Maybe you guys can help me out. What I would like to do is start grading the moonshines, what I think it is. 1 to 5 mason jars, or whatever. Hey, if you got any ideas, please leave that in the comments section. Let's come up with a good grading so we know we can give that a grade. Wouldn't that be fun? But that one's way up there. It'd be way up there. I get to enjoy that now. All right. Okay, well, with that being said, I guess the last thing I got to say is, hey, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time here on Moonshine Wednesdays. Cheers, guys.